Today we are making my mom's version of the most amazing egg roll, or how others call it, lumpia. It's filled with chicken and crunchy vegetables. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Cooking with Feffie. Today we're gonna make lumpia. First, you're gonna slice your cabbage. You can also cut it, but a slicer makes it even and nicely thin. Be careful for your fingers. To slicing that, you're gonna cut your long beans into really small pieces. When you're done doing that, you're gonna add some oil to the pan. Then we're gonna add galangal. This is for the flavor. It's also known as laos. You can find it in the toko. You're going to leave that fry with some chopped onions and garlic, and also some Maggi cubes. When it's frying, you add some black pepper and a bit of salt. Don't add too much. You can always taste and add more later. Add a bit of brown sugar. Yes, brown sugar again. Stir it up and let it fry. Then you're gonna add your pulled chicken. The pulled chicken is chicken breast fillet, boiled with some water and salt and some bay leaves, and then you let it cool down and shred it into pieces like this. After you fry your chicken for about 2-3 minutes, you add your long beans. Long beans take longer to cook, so that's what you add first. You let it fry for about 4 or 5 minutes. And when that's done, you add your cabbage. Some people add grated carrot. I choose not to do so. I think this is the perfect combination for the filling of an egg roll. And then you're gonna also add some taugay, bean sprouts. You add that usually the last 3-4 minutes because you don't want it to get too soft. And then you let it cook. When it's done, it looks like this. Also, don't forget to subscribe because I know some of you guys haven't. You don't want to miss any other videos. If you guys can only smell this. So usually we make our egg roll pastry ourselves. It's quite easy. I actually have an older video where I show you how to make the pastry for that. Today we're just gonna use store-bought egg roll pastry. We're gonna show you how to fold it in. We add the filling in the middle of the pastry, and then we fold it in, fold the sides. We also made a paste. It's just flour and some water where we can stick the pastry on the end of rolling this egg roll, and that way it won't open up. Look how beautiful and fat it looks. Now from a different angle, of course, fold it in, take the sides. You want to fold the sides a bit inwards too, and roll it up. Add your glue. Yeah, we call it glue. And there you have it. So now before frying, you want to dip it in some egg. The egg makes it really fluffy and crunchy on the outside, which makes it way better to eat. Way tastier, way flavorful. And then you're gonna fry it on medium heat. Not too much oil. You don't want to deep fry it because the inside is already cooked. And when it's becoming light brown, you turn it over, and there you have it, egg roll. Cut it in half. I like to cut it in half. That's why I did this. And I like to add my ketchup and eat it from there. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Check out my next videos. Bye.